In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add new columns in your project sheet in Smartsheet. First, make sure you're logged into your Smartsheet account and you're on the main dashboard. From there, open your project sheet. You can do this by selecting it from your recent items or from whatever folder or workspace you've saved it in. Once the sheet loads, you should see the familiar grid view with your existing columns and rows. Next, move your mouse to the column area where you want to work. In the demo, the areas you need to click are highlighted, but in your own sheet, you're simply going to look for the column header where you want to add more columns to the right. Hover over the top of that column until you see the small drop-down arrow or menu icon appear in the header. Click on that highlighted column menu. This opens a small menu with options that relate specifically to that column. Take a second to notice what's here. Options like Insert Column Left, Insert Column Right, Delete Column, and a few others. In our case, we're going to focus on inserting multiple columns at once. Now, in the field that appears or in the appropriate option in the menu, type or select the choice that allows you to insert multiple columns. Depending on your view, this can appear as a specific option for adding several columns in one go instead of adding them one by one. This is helpful if you know you'll need several new fields, such as for additional dates, status details, or custom data. Once you've typed what you need or highlighted the right option, click on it to confirm. In the guide, this is shown as clicking on a highlighted area again to proceed. Here, your focus is on confirming that you do want to insert new columns to the right of the one you selected. From the menu that appears, choose Insert 3 Columns Right. This tells Smartsheet to automatically create 3 new blank columns immediately to the right of your selected column. After you click this, you should see those 3 new columns appear in your sheet. Finally, click in one of the new column headers to start customizing it. You can rename each column to match your needs, adjust the column type if necessary, and begin using them in your project. That's all you need to do to quickly insert 3 new columns on the right side of an existing column in your Smartsheet project sheet.